Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your Fortnite name. Just go to Google and type Fortnite and you go to this website epicgames.com. Click here. I already signed in, then I click account. Here is the account info. I click here for display name. I can choose the new name. For example, Nasir 2121 and then confirm. Nasir 2121. Check the inbox and then confirm. Yeah, it's already changed. This is what you need to do. If this video is helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. And if you have any questions, any idea, any suggestion, just you can leave them in the comment below. Thank you and see you.